Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be discussing how you can save money on your home energy costs. Home energy costs can be a significant expense, especially during the hot summer months or cold winter months. But, with some simple changes, you can save money on your energy bills without sacrificing comfort. So, let's get started. Strategy number 1: upgrade your light bulbs. One of the easiest ways to save money on your energy bill is to replace your old incandescent light bulbs with energy-efficient LED bulbs. LED bulbs last longer and use less energy, which can save you up to 75% on your lighting costs. Strategy number 2: install a smart thermostat. A smart thermostat can help you save money by automatically adjusting your home's temperature based on your schedule and preferences. With a smart thermostat, you can program your heating and cooling system to turn off when you're not home or when you're sleeping, saving you money on your energy bill. Strategy number 3: seal air leaks. Air leaks around your windows and doors can allow hot or cold air to escape, making your heating and cooling system work harder than it needs to. By sealing air leaks with weather stripping or caulking, you can prevent air from escaping and save money on your energy bill. Strategy number 4: use power strips. Many electronics and appliances continue to use energy even when they're turned off. By plugging your electronics and appliances into power strips and turning off the power strip when you're not using them, you can save money on your energy bill. Strategy number 5: lower your water heater temperature. Your water heater can be a significant energy user in your home. By lowering your water heater temperature to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, you can save money on your energy bill without sacrificing comfort. Strategy number 6: insulate your home. Insulating your home can help prevent hot or cold air from escaping and reduce your heating and cooling costs. By adding insulation to your attic, walls, and floors, you can save money on your energy bill. Strategy number 7: use energy-efficient appliances. Energy-efficient appliances use less energy than traditional appliances, which can save you money on your energy bill. When shopping for appliances, look for the Energy Star label to ensure you're getting an energy-efficient appliance. Strategy number 8: plant trees and shrubs. Planting trees and shrubs around your home can provide shade in the summer and block wind in the winter, reducing your heating and cooling costs. Strategy number 9: use natural light. Using natural light instead of artificial light can save you money on your energy bill. Open your curtains or blinds during the day to let natural light in, and turn off the lights in rooms you're not using. Strategy number 10: unplug unused electronics. Electronics and appliances continue to use energy even when they're turned off. By unplugging electronics and appliances when you're not using them, you can save money on your energy bill. And that's it. By following these 10 proven strategies, you can save money on your home energy costs and reduce your carbon footprint. Remember to upgrade your light bulbs, install a smart thermostat, seal air leaks, use power strips, lower your water heater temperature, insulate your home. Use energy-efficient appliances, plant trees and shrubs, use natural light, and unplug unused electronics. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to save money and live a more sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching.